Let me show you.
I'm making a video, Shaniqua.
Why? No. Don't make a video of me right now.
Why?
I don't know.
You're still cute.
Why are you making a video of me or taking a video?
Look.
Why are you recording me? You're not?
I am. Look, you see the numbers?
Oh, yes.
Say hey, baby.
Hi.
What's wrong?
Get away from me. You locked me in the garage.
You're cute.
You're pretty for two, sir. So I like how you just recorded all of that. You're gonna watch it later. Ew. No tag me in this either.
It's going straight on Facebook.
Don't play.
I'm gonna be like, hey, look, Facebook. Her name is Shaniqua Coffee. She is senior at Willow Ridge.
I don't even go to Willow Ridge anymore.
You really do.
No, I don't.
Where you gonna?
I gotta try this.
Stop transferring schools. You said you was going. Anyways, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Look in the camera. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye bye.